What is Google Workspace? Google Workspace is a cloud based suite of productivity and collaboration tools designed to help businesses and individuals work smarter, not harder. It encompasses a wide range of applications, including Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Meet, and many more. These tools are seamlessly integrated and provide a cohesive digital environment for work. Key features of Google Workspace. Gmail in Google Workspace offer professionalism email hosting with your custom domain, advanced spam protection, and integrated chat. It provides a secure and reliable email communication platform for businesses of all sizes. Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud storage service that enables users to store, access, and share files from any device with an internet connection. It encourages collaboration with by allowing real-time editing and commenting on documents. Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. These applications offer powerful online document editing, spreadsheet management, and presentation creation tools. Collaborative editing and commenting make it easy for teams to work together on projects. Google Meet. Google Meet is a video conferencing platform that facilitates virtual meeting, webinars, and collaboration with team members or external partners. Its integration with other Google Workspace apps simplifies scheduling and joining meetings. Google Chat. Google Chat is a messaging platform that enhances real time communication within organizations. It replaces Google Hangouts and enables teams to chat, share files, and collaborate seamlessly. Google Calendar. Google Calendar simplifies scheduling and appointment management. It integrates with email and other Google Workspace apps to help users stay organized and on track. Security and privacy. Google Workspace places a strong emphasis on security and privacy with features like two factor authentication, data loss prevention, and secure access controls to protect sensitive information. Benefits of Google Workspace. Enhanced collaboration. Google Workspace fosters collaboration by allowing multiple users to work on same document simultaneously. Real-time editing and commenting reduce the need for endless email threads. Accessibility and mobility. Google Workspace is a cloud-based enabling users to access their work from any device with an internet connection. This flexibility promotes remote work and enhances productivity. Cost efficiency. With Google Workspace, there's no need for expensive hardware or software installations. It offers a scalable pricing structure, making it cost effective for businesses of all sizes. Seamless integration. Google Workspace apps seamlessly integrate with each other and with third party applications, producing an unified digital workspace. Enhanced communication. With Gmail, Google Chat, and Google Meet, Google Workspace offers a complete communication suite to keep teams connected, whether they are in same office or across the globe. Continuous updates. Google regularly update and improve its workspace tools, ensuring that users have access to the latest features and security enhancements. Who can benefit from Google Workspace? Google Workspace is a suitable for wide range of users, for small business and startups, to large enterprises, educational institutes and individuals. Its versatility and scalability make it valuable asset in various professional settings.